Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making pumpkin rice with minimal ingredients. It's a simple and healthy dish, and this is an easy way to include pumpkin in your meal. And I hope you find this recipe useful. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make pumpkin rice. To a pan, I'm adding a tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon of unsalted butter. I'm going to roast some cashew nuts, pumpkin seeds and raisins. Fry them for a while until they turn light golden brown. This is done. Take it out from the pan and keep it aside for later use. This is half onion finely sliced, and we are going to use this to garnish our rice. So fry it till golden brown and crisp. Do not discard this oil. It has a lot of flavor in it. So to the same oil, I'm adding a tablespoon of chopped garlic and a half onion finely sliced. Keep the flame on medium and fry this for 30 seconds. Now in this stage, add a cup of pumpkin and saute it for a while. Pumpkins are actually kind of a superfood and a good anti-inflammatory, and also improves our overall gut health. I'm adding a cup of rice which is already rinsed. Now fry this also for a few more seconds. To cook the rice, I'm using 2 cups of vegetable stock. You could also use chicken stock or water. Season it with some chili flakes and salt. You can also use black pepper powder or any other seasonings, but I want to keep it simple. Give it a nice mix and cover the pan. Let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, cook it on a low flame for about 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now. Let's check out the rice. Rice is cooked well. Give it a quick toss. Time to garnish our rice with the fried onions, cashews, pumpkin seeds and raisins, which we already fried and kept. Adding some spring onions. You can also use coriander leaves. Give it a quick toss and serve hot. Since it's a Halloween dish, I'm going to serve it in a pumpkin pot. Simple and easy to make pumpkin rice. Do try this and share this recipe with your family and friends. And I hope you like this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video. and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.